Same place, same time, same people, just one day later. Let's see what's gonna happen. There's one more guy coming. It's cool, and I have a bucket. So basically we just have to, these are blueberries, by the way, didn't even know, I don't even know the name in Italian. Just have to walk straight on this line, I guess, and pick them up. It's gonna be $6 a bucket. That's the size of the bucket. Look at where we are. Very good, very nice. Mark is already picking up everything.
What?
So these are all cracked, so we can pick them up. When they're too small, neither like this one is okay. Ciao mamma. You see, I'm eating fruit sometimes. Almost done with my third half bucket. You have a lot of time to think and listen to music if you want. I had to put the flip-flops on again because it's just too wet. 10:30 means that we're working since like 3 hours. Yeah, about 3 hours, so 2 for 6 half buckets. They just called the lunch break. It is 12. I was able to pick up only 3 of these buckets. It is tiring. It is annoying because the blueberries are really small. It's not season anymore, so they're just small and we can't pick them up and they're all cracked. But could be worse. Could be worse. At least my colleagues, they have a good taste in music. Ciao Dalli. I wanted to have the experience in a farm. I had it. So guys, I'm talking for the blueberries. The job itself is not hard at all. Me, I don't really suffer the heat, so for me it's fine even if today was very sunny. And yeah, as you can see, like, I didn't put the sunscreen. Look at this. I'm totally burned on the arm. I'm stupid. Just the thing. Yeah, I'm Italian from the south. You get some scratches because of the bushes, but I mean it's totally fine. What made everything a pain in the ass is the pay rate. They paid us $6 a bucket, and in average everybody did around 4 buckets, which means $24 for 8 hours of work, which is not fair. Like you earn $24 for 1 hour here in Australia. It is not like this all the time. It was like this now because the season of the blueberries is totally over, so we're just picking up the last berries. The guys are still picking up. I just gave up 1 hour before because I finished my last bucket and I just said no, that's enough. The guy, he gave us 3 buckets for free. It means that I filled up 4 buckets, but at the end he signed 7 because there are not many berries to pick up. So instead of 24, I did $42, which is still shite.
He'll get the hint, surely. I know we're already waiting.
You're out! There is wind, but anyway, I'm pretty confused. I'm very confused about what to do. Today is the 16th of February, and in 2 months we'll probably be already in Bali and start my Southeast Asia tour, and to do that I need the money. And apparently in the farm where we are supposed to work, the big one, there will be no induction next week, so it will be like 1 more week without working, which means that I'm like losing $700 of savings if I will work in the restaurant. So I'm considering, even if I really don't feel like considering to coming back to Sydney and go back to work in the restaurant for 1 month and a half more and then just go traveling. I don't know. I went to dive in the ocean, then came back in the room, had a shower, slept a bit, and tried to think about what to do, and I still don't know. Like, I'm still pretty confused because today is Thursday, and we just Friday and Saturday to think about what to do, because then on Sunday either we move to the caravan or I go back to Sydney. So we have nothing sure. I would really like to move to the caravan maybe for a week and just wait, I don't know. I'm just trying to understand all the possible options that I have. Anyway, let's keep the finger crossed, let's see what's gonna happen. Thank you anyway for your support. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Good night. I don't give up.